Did you know that Jamaican do the most work in a Cayman street we good? We put so now we say we now do this to Kartel. Kartel no deserve that treatment. Yeah. Church people no fear talk about Kartel. Church people no know what going out the road.
Yo, what's up my beautiful people? Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know the thing go. This channel will bring you TikTok videos that you might miss throughout the week. So you don't know you want to subscribe. Right now my people, we have a big up to all who subscribe, all who like, and all who leave a thoughts in the comment section. And you see for you, we have view right now. Make sure you wanna like, make sure you wanna subscribe, and leave a thoughts to support the channel. Bad or no bad. Right now my people, we have one Kevin back at it again. I talk about Vybz Kartel. You don't know Cayman. I try ban Vybz Kartel from singing certain lyrics when I'm forward over them my people. So you don't know one Kevin. I share him thoughts on TikTok. We have that for share with you know. Listen to what go on my people.
First time, I may be wrong, but I think that this is the first time Vybz Kartel is going to the Cayman Island for, you know, maybe the first time, very first time. You understand? I'm not 100% on that, but it could be the very first time he's going to the Cayman Island, but they are putting too much restriction. Even the church get involved. Now, let me ask you a question. Why the church have anything to do with what's going on in dancehall? How it's affecting the church when Vybz Kartel is performing in a club when the church members supposed to be in their bed? How is it affecting the church? Now, Vybz Kartel is not coming to your church. Yeah, I'm saying, and thing, you know, you guys is the one that make sinners can't come over to be Christian, because you guys is Christian who is supposed to forgive and forget, but y'all walk around with people, luggage, and people pass and act as if they pass. It's always going to be there. Now, I don't understand why Cayman Island Church is in the middle of what's going on. Why? Top of the screen, no man, and share the live. Top of the screen and share the live. We want to know what's the reason why the church did. What was the scripture in church Sunday gone? I bet you someone don't know. But you know the song, every cent you be. Me need me family. Me love you, baby. Oh, me give you a baby. So pastor in a church and pastor I worry about where Kartel at the outer road. Missionary, deacon, evangelist. Why are you guys in what's going on out there? Now, I can see where, you know, a lot of church members and a lot of church people who say, "Una gone over on the other side," really did not go over as yet. Una no cross over. Because una still know what going on in the dance hall. Una know the whole of Kartel new song, from the new to the old song. From the first song to the last song if drop. Una know the song them. So, una know in the church. I don't think that the problem is people who is in the world. I know the world and them problem because you don't want to see Kartel. I know the people them who go dance all because you don't want to see Kartel. And some of them pastor ya, where I listen to Kartel song under sites. And some of them deacon ya missionary ya, where I dagger to Kartel song them. Them and the pastor, them and dagger to the man song them. Yeah, you have sex to Kartel song. And you go like say you fully blown Christian, but you not in there really yet. Somehow not sin right now, because me no understand how uno reach in a dancehall business, being that uno day in a church. I wanna do this all the time. Uno see Kartel I make a shame somehow no. Kartel a shame somehow no, brother. Like it's about time uno stop this, church people. And Cayman Island is too much restriction. Truth I truth. Me I tell my people them say to leave it alone. But when me go so this morning and really look for some people that came and attack, me I say, "Una do it to Vado the other day." And just the other day, una do it to my Vado. And now una turn around and do it to Vybz Kartel. Una put too much restriction. May 30th, Vybz Kartel will be in the Cayman Island. And look how long ago this was promoting. Why now? Why not put so much restriction at the end? Me a 30 at the man today, you know. Why now una put so much restriction at the end of when the man fi come there? Now, if Kartel would have wanted to back out, I am begging you, Vybz Kartel. You are doing this for the fans. You are not doing it for the haters. You are not doing it for the ones that is not making $1.5 million. You are not doing it for the haters, them we hate the fact that them have to work 1 9 to 5 and collect one little $800 a week. A week! You will not do it for the people them who are collect $400 a week. You not do it for the people them who are collect them little chump change where I cuss you out. You do it for the fans. And the fans you do it for. Them people just are hate because them now collect $1.5 million. A sure. One sure. The man basically a collect something where if you get it in a lifetime, you would happy. One sure. So me can't understand why someone are hate and why the bad mind chip in. Cayman Island, me never expect this. It's too much restriction. Cayman am a place. Cayman am a place, dog. What me notice with Cayman Island, yes, when the blood clot immigration officer them don't keep the party them have problem. Cayman Island, pay attention. Anytime the immigration is not the one that hosting the show, them give the people them problem. I swear to God. The other day when time my father forgot Cayman Island, them wait till the last freaking nitty gritty of the time when my father did for fly come a Cayman. Them say my father can't come a Cayman. Them block him because them a say the war between Mavado and Vybz Kartel. I'm telling you where them come from with them fuckery. Them a say the war between Mavado and Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel this and Vybz Kartel that and Mavado this. That have resolved. Cayman Island mind on a blood clot business. Whatever go on in a Jamaica now have nothing to do with you know. The artists them a travel, the artists them make them money. Leave the artists them make them come make them bumbo clot money. A fuckery we not go on with right now, Cayman Island. Me not like this. We don't like it. It's like on a target one artist, bro. On a target the artist. This is not right, Cayman. I'm going to tell you why I say so, because England, Malta, 4 night from the 9th to the 13th. From the 9th to the 13th, Mavado, Vybz Kartel in Malta. And them now give them no problem. Cayman Island run by the Queen. So why we are giving Vybz Kartel problem? What Vybz Kartel do to Uno? Vybz Kartel, you know, say be a Caribbean country I bring down the man. It's just always have to be the freaking Caribbean. Vybz Kartel is getting a fight, and the fight that he's getting is from the Caribbean. It's nowhere else, bro. Cayman Island need to stop. Uno need to stop. Vybz Kartel is not getting no fight from the big country them. England appreciate him. America appreciate him. Canada appreciate him. You name every big country appreciate Vybz Kartel. Why the fuck it always have to turn out to be one of them look a Skettle Island here? Eh? Them look a blood clot Skettle Island here. I come give yourself problem. Why? Why? On a church member don't have nothing better to do. Some of them gyal just leave to get them a suck a dick and bill. Some of the church member don't have nothing to do. Cause some of them are really Christian, you know. Uno listen to Vybz Kartel. Uno go to church. Uno know Vybz Kartel more than uno know the scripture. Uno know that? Oh, did you know that Jamaican do the most work in a Cayman? We put in the most work and get the least good treatment. We not get good treatment at Cayman. We not get the good treatment. Anybody can come tell me, say, I lie me, I tell, come here now. If you work at Cayman, you can't tell the truth. I mean, I ask if you do it. Because them have got blood clot watch you. Don't do what me do. One Kevin, my name. You understand? But me, I tell you this. Cayman Island not treat we good. So now, we say we now do this to Kartel. Kartel don't deserve that treatment, yeah. Church people no fear talk about cartel. Church people no fear know what going out the road. Church people to invest in a cartel. There are 2 new scriptures in the Bible. I swear to God. One of Vybz Kartel and one of Spice. Just the other day, we hear what's your name? Spice. Ladies come out and go for Spice. Church people again. Welcome. Church people not leave the church. On a blood clot, I go like say on a so oldie, but on can't forgive nobody. God can't forgive on for all of the rape, the robbery, all of the unnecessary fuckery want to put people through, all of the way want to beat people bad. God can't forgive you. Me can't forget one Sunday, one man when my father used to work with, when named Brother Burnell in a Cayman. Him dead now. Me can't talk about it. Brother Burnell used to be one of the men that were clean the school, do painting. My father used to do painting in a Cayman too. Then, and my father used to work with this man here. And believe this or not, we go to the same church. You don't know what said the man never paid the man per Saturday. And when the man got church, the man gonna look for my father and tell my father, say, him put him paycheck in the offering plate. My father look upon him and say, oh sir, I have my pitney them for feed and my bills to pay. Give me my money. Now make me have no problem in that church here. My father a gangster. My father a pastor, but my father a gangster. You hear me? My father a gangster. My father look upon him and tell him, say, don't make him have no problem in the church. Yo, church people, they're wicked when they're ready, bro. Yo, let me tell you something. Me a Christian. Religiously. But you see, some of the church people, who don't make it easy for you like me, if you say walking out the church and baptize, you know why? Because of them bullshit I want to put up with. Them foolish I want to do to people. Vybz Kartel have nothing to do with the church. He's not coming in your church. And if you're pitney, so go to a Vybz Kartel concert. That means that you not keep your pitney in line. Are you? You know the whole of Kartel skin out sang them. You know the whole of Kartel freaky sang them. Can you imagine you in a church and you sing Christian song and then now the head freaky gal of them gal ya me love. Freaky woman of them gal ya me love. And they clap like say a Christian song when I sing. And a freaky song when they sing. Oi! We know no. Anyway, let me talk about that brother here when I stop expose himself on the internet. And when I go like say on a side step. Let me describe who me attack. This man say him straight, but yet him have every lean person secret. Oh, you straight, but have everybody batty games and batty secret. Oh, you straight, but you have one bag of batty secret. But you're straight. A straight man who a selector. To buy house, free to buy car, free to eat and drink, free to fuck girl, free to do anything you want to do. Cayman Island want to put restriction. Kartel cannot look no woman in Cayman Island. Kartel cannot have sex on the island. Kartel cannot use our beach. Kartel cannot eat our food. Kartel cannot talk to our kids. Kartel cannot sing some of his songs. Kartel cannot. What the bumper clock wrong with you know? Kartel never come there for fuck on a wife. Him have one. See him, see them. I see them, not see them. The man have a wife. The man nah come there for look on a woman. Why are you scared? Some of the blood clot just scared because on the hear the money with the man make $1.5 million per show. So when I think so, I don't know skettle mockers girl. I go run down the man and the man I go fuck them. Nope. The man come for perform. The man just a come in the country and the man even wants to Kartel have an extra day if he stay in a Cayman. And me never think he might go stay. I feel like as he show, he might go come right home back. Because how the fuck you gonna tell me say immigration are gonna on stage and listen to the man and if him sing one of the song them where una put one on the restrict, una take him off the stage. Or the blood clot wrong with you know? What wrong with you know? Una go man and glue on the blood clot girl we a fuck pound. And go man and glue on the man we a fuck pound. Fuck wrong with you know? Move up. I wouldn't be a member of the Gaza if me never come out and come talk on this. I never think, boy, Rocky Burst, me apologize to you. Me apologize to you, Rocky Burst. Me and Rocky Burst, I talk about it and me I say, no man, make it dog go there go make him money. Me not tell Cartel nothing go there go make him money. Go on go make your money, brother. Evilous people, wicked hard people can't stop you. Me general. Vybz Kartel, them a fight you hard in a dance hall, brother. To the part where Cayman Island, when I have nothing to do with nothing, I give you a fight. What we do to Cayman Island? What did we do to deserve this treatment, Cayman Island? I wanna we on a blood clot fight. I wanna we on a fight. Fuck dancehall, fuck everything then. We are fight a Jamaican now. What the blood clot to now pick up a fight with her? What we do now? What we do now? Cayman, I'm a place, dog. What we do now? Forget about dancehall. Push that aside. What Jamaican do now? Why we not fight Jamaican people, so? Jamaican people have a hard time in a Cayman. Want to treat you like slave? Bumbleclot, let me talk. Want to treat you like slave in a Cayman. Me dey live there. Me work for enough for uno. Me dey live there. Want to treat you like slave. Cayman Island is one of the only islands where still treat people like slave. And it hot no bumbleclot hot. Cayman Island hot no fuck.